UMLA kemelim ba arvi lingdo ula kentu ya kesorkar jela bahkan penyasono da kesurok nalau sotun syaka NH40 ha apa Shillong kenang bahkan pensuk di kipat ba kiba Jumat man kapor ya kadheng kali. Haba jubab halor kani hakikanta keli jengkeli hayeng dorbar usembut menteri rang ba kejela ba prestun tensong ula pentip ba ya kani kesurok kesorkar kadang penkre menta ya ka detailed project report mat kumju kidang ap ya ka jingyo jingbet na ketenat forest ban pentelun ya kakam.
Question number 66, President Tusok to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 66A, yes, sir. B, sir, the status of DPR preparation is in progress and forest clearance is also awaiting. And C, sir, does not arise in view at A above.
Rooney, your supplementary.
So I would like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister because he had given an assurance earlier in the House. And sir, may I request through you, sir, may I request the Deputy Chief Minister if he can follow up with the forest clearance. Sir. And then another thing, sir, to my honourable member from Nong Thumai, I said that half the cabinet lives in his constituency. So I'd like to inform you, the Honourable Chief Minister has a house in my constituency, sir.
Oh my God.
And most of the members have to pass through Upper Shillong, sir, to reach, Shillong or wherever they want to go. So, sir, may I request the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, if that is the condition for, giving additional allotment to the supplementary demand, may I ask more be given, sir, to Upper Shillong, because Honourable Chief Minister has a house there, sir, and most of the members from west, southwest, east, even from my good friend from Omlarem, sometimes comes through that road, sir. So, sir, I'm very thankful to the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister for this, and may I request him, sir, there are more proposals to have these arterial roads, so to ease the congestion, sir, so that we can, solve this problem together, to ease the congestion that is facing. Sir, I'd like to inform you, with the escort, took me 1 hour, sir, to reach the house. That's why I was about 10 minutes late. The traffic congestion is so much, sir, there. That is so difficult to commute. And, I was even shouted from the streets, you leave early, sir. If the house starts at 10, I leave at 9, then how? I think I cannot leave earlier than that also. So, sir, we are talking about the general public that is going through this nightmare, sir. It is a nightmare, sir. It is a nightmare. We take 3-4 hours to reach Shillong or any part of the city, sir. So may I request, I'll be giving proposal, and I would request the Deputy Chief Minister to consider those also, sir, so that we have more arterial roads, so that if there is traffic jam, we can utilize those roads, sir. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister for this, sir. Thank you.
The hour is over.